I am delighted, that this conference is being held at this crucial time. There is no better time than now for the youth of our great. In fact, there's no better time than now to do this conference. And it's time for us to denounce electoral violence and get ready to perform the all-important civic duty of voting. We must ensure that 2023 elections are peaceful, free, fair, and credible. The Vote Not Fight campaign is one that I have remained particularly passionate about. Since its launch in 2014, I have been a vocal advocate for peaceful and credible electioneering process and transparent and accountable governance. I rededicate myself today to help promote peaceful elections in Nigeria, in the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory. The need for young Nigerians to be active participants in elections and governance has never been more pressing. The need for older generation to harness the talent and energy of the youth towards transforming the fortunes of a distressed nation has never been more dire. The importance of the importance of frank intergenerational dialogue cannot be overemphasized. I personally have and will continue to remain non-partisan in my political engagement, but I will continue to hold every political office holder accountable for their policies and actions, whether young or old. And on this note, I would like to officially welcome you on behalf of the Tubaba Foundation, JEV-D Foundation, the CPPLI. I am hopeful that we will have enlightening conversations and design actionable solutions that will have a far-reaching positive impact on our democracy. And finally, I would wish to thank our partners, the United States Agency for International Development as USAID, and the Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office, FCDO, and the National Democratic Institute, NDI, for supporting this conference. And I thank you all for also supporting this conference. Vote. Election will be won. That's what we talk about. So, all love to everybody. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much.
One love to Baba.